Going to make a short video tonight about laptop battery that I picked up from the transfer station yesterday, day before. It was a Dell. I ripped the label off already, but I'm just going to show you how to pull one apart. This one had a volt test gauge, capacitor display gauge. So you rip the label off and you'll be able to see which way the cells go. Once you know which way the cells go, you know where to be careful. So, flat blade screwdriver. Finding the first place to crack them is often the hardest. Quite often near the terminal block's a good spot. You'll generally find that original, genuine laptop batteries are harder to open. They just seem to be made better than reproductions or non-genuine spares, or whatever you want to call them. There we go, see? Always be careful of normally the positive ends of these are dangerous. If you have a look at that one, that's what the positive end looks like. That's what they look like without a skin on them. And if you touch between this point and the outside here, you will get sparks and carry on, because the outside is the negative, that's just a little post in the middle is the positive, and it's got a little separator ring, insulator ring in there. So always keep that in mind. You've got to be safe with them. If you short that out and whatever shorts it out sticks across there, they can discharge and vent and then detonate. Just go searching for a few lithium-ion battery explosions, and you'll understand why I say try and be safe with them. Don't do what I just did and short it out and make a bunch of pop, make a bunch of heat and smoke. A bit tougher than I thought because they're glued in. No shell left. Shell's off. Alright, same thing with the side cutters, be careful. You don't want to get on the wrong side of your 18650s. We like them because they kick out lots of power. And are excellent for electric cars, bikes, whatever things in the hobby world. What they're not good for is shorting out and blowing up. That's, yeah, not a path you really want to go down. So I'm just pulling all the spot welds, all the tabs off, any loose tape and glue if I can get off. Spot welds break pretty easy. Normally just a little spot weld on the bottom, top and bottom of them. Yeah, you see where they were. That's how they join them quickly and efficiently in the factory. Much quicker than soldering them like I do. But we've got some solder strips, similar material as these tags now, so might make the process a bit easier. Still going to be soldered, but they're going to be soldered with a flat strap rather than big pieces of copper that hang out everywhere. Righto, so if I wasn't videoing this and I wasn't explaining it and showing pieces and that kind of thing, I can probably pull one of these apart in about 2.5–3 minutes for a 6-cell like that one. There's your 6 cells. Next thing we need is the multimeter. First cell 3.76. Second cell 2.2. 2.2 is alright, we can deal with that. Next one 1.5, that's getting down. Fourth cell 3.81. It's good. Fifth one 1.5. So those two were failing in the pack. The 3.8. So there's two that weren't going real well. 1.5. 3.8. Must be that one. Yep, two of them the same at 1.5 something, which isn't really enough. So go to the lab power supply, turn the current all the way down. I've got some batteries that are just finished charging. And the new battery holding charging thing I knocked up for the purpose of charging them up faster. So we've got it set on 4.3 volts, but we're going to keep the current down low. Just slip them in. Just let that sneak up slowly. So it's already up to 2.8 volts, so they'll just flat, which is great. I'm only putting 0.7 of an amp in. We'll let that sneak up slowly, and we'll find the next flattest one now. I think there was one at 2 point something. 3.75. 3.75. So one of them was in the 2s. 3.8. 3.8 is ideal. Find a laptop, second-hand laptop battery. They're all 3.8. That's excellent. Those 4 cells there are great. Even if they're discharged, they're still at 3.8, which I'm more than happy with. excellent laptop battery to pull apart. It's great. Alright then, so I'll just let them charge on up slowly as they will. 0.7 of an amp over two of them. You're only getting 350 milliamps each. I'll quite happily take even an amp, but coming up from low voltage. We'll let that tick over gently, and hopefully we'll recover these two as well. Alright, well, that's long enough about opening up a laptop battery. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, click like. If you want to subscribe, click subscribe. I'm playing with all kinds of recycled HN650s and doing a few bits and pieces with them, so give you good ideas on what you can make, what you can salvage them out of, and yeah, thanks for watching.